Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Let's see what we got in the mail. What do we have here? Let's put that right there. Grab a picture of it. We have an iPad Pro 12.9 inch 6th generation Wi-Fi plus cellular. Let's open it up and take a look. Now, this 12.9 inch is the space gray 2 terabyte version from Verizon Wireless. It has a liquid retina XDR display. It has 2732 by 2048 pixel resolution at 264 pixels per inch. It has a SDR brightness of 600 nits max and an XDR brightness of 1000 nits max. It is using the Apple M2 chip, which has an 8-core CPU. This particular 2 terabyte model has 16 gigs of RAM. Why did you buy this, one might ask? The iPad Pro 12.9 inch that I have now is a 2020 model. And I've been doing a lot of 3D virtual tours with Matterport using their Pro 3. And lately, I've been having some issues with kind of speed of scanning. Now, it might be a little extreme to go out and buy a brand new iPad just for Matterport, but I use it for other reasons too, not just Matterport. So here we have a booklet. We got some stickers. We have a SIM card removal tool. We have some tips, which you can see here. A charging brick, which is a 20-watt charging brick. We have a USB C to USB-C cable. And that's all we have in the box. Here's the back. Here's the side. The top and the bottom. And there it is. We have a brand new iPad Pro 12.9 inch, 6th generation. Comment below if you have any questions about this. Like, share, and subscribe it. I'd appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.